Hello everybody, it's the end of September and checking in with this slender hornbeam. There is a playlist for this tree, and it's been sat on the bench all summer, and I've been nipping bits out, and I've seen a stray branch or two poke out and I've trimmed it back. The top was getting a bit shaggy and I trimmed it back, but I've got it on a bench that I can't get around the back of, and so I've kind of forgotten all about the back, which is odd. So I've now got this shaggy sort of back. I've got this branch that I'm trying to graft in place, which is this one, which hasn't really grown because it hasn't received enough light, and I've got all these long extension growths. So I'm just going to, I know I've said in other videos I want all this growth to feed back to the tree, but now I've seen it, I can't leave it like this. This is a tree that I've had for a lot of years, and is in many ways closest to being a proper, in inverted commas, a proper bonsai, as opposed to a lot of my trees which are ongoing projects, in some cases ongoing experiments, where I'm trying to fuse trees over rocks and around rocks and whatnot. This is a tree that is probably close to 30 years old, and I've kept alive in all that time. I've neglected it from time to time when my children were, well, I was going to say when they were younger, but they are younger than they are now, but when they were teenagers. As in all families, things were not always the easiest, and work was crazy busy at that point as well, so they got neglected for a while and then had to be pulled back. You know how that sort of sob story goes. But yeah, so I just thought I'd do a very quick video on this tree. Come the autumn, it's going to need looking through some more, but I can already see some bits I really don't like, so yeah, it's going to have to go back on the bench with this side facing outwards, and well, I'm going to have to be more mindful, because actually this isn't the only one like this. There's a few trees that are, well, a little bit need a little bit more work around the back, as it were, a little off the back, sir. That's the old hairdresser joke goes, and you know, I won't tell you that joke because I can't for the life of me remember how it goes. Anyway, as I say, just a quickie, and I'll put this back on the bench. All that remains is to say thank you so much for watching. Do all the usual YouTube things, like, subscribe, comment below, but most of all, please stay safe everybody.